Good morning and happy Monday. Thank you guys so much for already doing your warm-ups. Remember, I gave them to you on Friday and they are in your folder or your desk if you were not here on Friday. Also, friends, you are welcome to go into my green bins where it's marked homework and warm-ups if you need a homework or warm-up. So thank you for checking what you want for breakfast and taking the trays back and again doing that warm up. Now, fun fact, did you know the largest candy cane was made in 2001? Now, Miss Romano was 7 in 2001, so that was a long time ago. And it was 58 feet long. 58 feet, well, that's over 11 of me. Maybe you guys will make one that's 59 feet in the future. All right, so what are we going to get into today? Well, today we have a close reading where you will compare and contrast two texts. You will practice your editing tasks so we can be prepped for the intro when we get back from break. And then, of course, we're going to do writing, and more writing.